People come to South Jersey for land and space, and 581 Lantern Way in Franklinville has all of that and more space for entertaining. Let's go take a look. I mentioned entertaining. Quick pit stop here for entertaining and had to show off the man cave too. Oh my gosh, look at this space. We've got a huge bar and a game room. So much. Take your pick. There's a fire pit area, you've got a hot tub over here, under a pergola, and out back, more garages. Did I not say more? There's more, so much more. Direct message me Franklinville, because this ain't lasting.